Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Landx finance token. Ticker symbol is Lndx. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Landx token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, it was just announced that this token, the Landx token, will be listed on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global starting December 14th at 14 hours UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Lndx, and then simply just buy the token. And this would be obviously on December 14th, 14 hours UTC time, you would be able to purchase it. But before that, they're actually having a launchpad event starting December 9th at 10 o'clock UTC time all the way till December 14th at 10 o'clock UTC time. And you can find information about that, the launchpad event, on Mexc Global's Twitter at Mexc_official, or you can find it on the Twitter in the corner of the screen over there at Landx Finance on Twitter. They have the blue verified check mark, over 4,200 tweets. Very active on here. 22,400 Twitter followers. And it says their flash sale sold out in 42 minutes. So, and then they're saying their decentralized and centralized exchange listings all start on December 14th. So very brand new project. Looks like shortly after the Mexc Global listing and around the same time, it's also being listed on Gate, which is another big central exchange. But yes, all the info on all these listings is available on their Twitter right there. It also has a link to their webpage on that Twitter, landx.fi. This token is on the Ethereum blockchain. If you go to their, if you go to the Etherscan, the token is called Landx Governance Token. So that tells you right there that this token enables you voting rights. You can vote on proposals, like basically like a DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization, voting on governance proposals. 6 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 3 million tokens according to their Etherscan. They also have a Telegram that you can find at LandxFIN, 587 members on there so far. On their Telegram, you can find a link to their Discord, their Twitter, their webpage. It says Landx, the Perpetual Commodity Vaults Protocol. So all sorts of cool stuff. Now, they have, looks like a full white paper too. If you go over to landx.gitbook.io, there's a full document section over there that's going to give you tons of info. There's even a video explainer on there. So it says, Perpetual Commodity Vaults provide investors an inflation-hedged return backed by a legal contract secured on underlying farmland. Landx makes commodity vaults available as a liquid digital asset. Landx offers tokenized commodities and perpetual vaults for agricultural products, So it shows how the landowner goes down to the crop share contract, to the validator, to like say spread out between like soy, corn, rice, wheat, and then baskets back to investors, etc. So X tokens are perpetual commodity vault paying out 1 C token per year in yield. C tokens are on-chain commodities representing 1 kilogram of the underlying product. The X token perpetual yield is derived from 49-year rolling legal crop share contracts called liens, secured by farmland and managed by validators. An internal marketplace offers a C token USDC paired liquidity, enabling users to trade commodities without slippage at an Oracle set rate. At launch, there are 4 markets representing the most important and widely traded agricultural commodities: wheat, soy, corn, and rice. X basket is an ERC20 token which represents a basket of equally weighted X tokens. This provides further diversification, offering exposure to all 4 agricultural commodities in a single index fund token. Users can at any time mint or redeem their X basket for individual underlying X tokens. Landx provides the opportunity to generate real yield from real production and bring that on-chain to create sustainable DeFi incentives. C tokens and X tokens are liquid digital assets traded 24/7. C tokens value derives from the market value of the commodity. X token value derives from investors' pricing of the vault. If the value of the wheat goes up, then the amount of the yield paid per X token increases. In traditional finance, agricultural products account for 5% of derivative trading volumes. Landx has the first mover advantage in DeFi. Landx provides landowners with the upfront capital required to grow their businesses, invest in equipment, and modernize their production capabilities. It is more flexible, efficient, and fair than the traditional financing that is currently available. For investors, Landx provides exposure to an uncorrelated digital asset which acts as an inflation hedge and brings real yield to decentralized finance markets. So, in a nutshell, that's what this whole project is. But if you want to learn specifically about more information regarding the X tokens, the C tokens, XUSD, Landx operations, landowners, governance, marketing opportunity, liquidity provision, technology, security, and Landx choice, or the terms and conditions of use, just go to landx.gitbook.io. And like I said, if you're looking to get this token, and you don't have an Mexc global account, make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one. Check out my Facebook in the description box down there if you want to support on Patreon. That's in the description box, or hit that join button. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.